and welcome to Meso One. We are a team of people working for you to bring you daily first-hand information so you can make the smartest, safest, sound investments possible. I am your host, Ramon, and today we will be bringing you the daily recap of the OTC market. With that being said, let's jump right into it. ASTA Corporation, ticker symbol ASTA, opened today on a major upwards price gap caused by the previously mentioned forthcoming pink current tier upgrade going into effect pre-market today. Yesterday's price action, closing at 0065, was blown out of the water as today's opening bell action saw 0075 shares being bought up on the ask side. A 10-tick gap from yesterday's closing price. Per usual, this type of quick upwards price movement caused buyers to exit with significant profit, ultimately closing ASTA at 006. The action continues to be within daily bands, and all trades executed today were above the trending midline. Overall, this chart is still very bullish. If you missed yesterday's opportunity, sometime this week you may get a chance at some cheap shares again. We're expecting further updates from the company very soon as well. Premier Biomedical Inc., ticker symbol BIEI, continues to display strength on the daily chart. Today that same action continued. Although BIEI finished slightly red compared to yesterday's 004 close, all action once again took place above the daily mid-trend line. This is one of the most tried and true indicators that we see play out often in both the OTC realm as well as the small cap sector. We will continue to follow all trade action and developments surrounding BIEI. The Meso One Mafia believes this one has a ton of room to run. We're expecting return to 006 shortly. BRLL Energy Inc., ticker symbol BRLL, tested the 6.5 cent range we alerted as resistance yesterday. Unfortunately, we saw this upper resistance persist as sellers continue to stack this mentioned zone. Based on this week's action, we're thinking we will need to see some updates from the company in the coming week. Without updates, interest may continue to fall. With that being said, we're expecting blockbuster news any day. Keep an eye on this one next week. It should be a very telling week regardless. NUWE Inc., ticker symbol NUWE, is $1 above our perfect bottom alert yesterday of $7.50. Not to mention here, other than we will continue to treat this one as a solid trading opportunity due to the thinness on the spread and the continued high volume that is pumping. Make sure to add this one to your watch list if you're an active trader. It is providing so many opportunities weekly. This ticker is what the Meso One Mafia likes to refer to as ATM. ASTA, closing down 6.156%. Opening price 0075. Closing price 0061. The chart continues to build very well. A slight pullback to yesterday's open on pink current tier change. If trade action stays above the midline and the bands continue to tighten, expect a breakout upwards. The chart is screaming for a move. BRLL, closing up just under 1%. Opening price 6.1 cents. Closing price 6.15 cents. Lowest volume day in 2 weeks. If this trend continues, coupled with no company updates and trading under the daily midline, we may see a test of support levels. As stated prior, next week will be very telling. NUWE, closing up 2.45%. Opening price $8. Closing price $8.36. Not much to talk about here. It is worth noting that Meso One Mafia scored a single-day dollar position move off the mentioned alerted lows yesterday. We will continue to treat this one as a trader. The chart looks like it wants to test that $9.75 area soon. It's worth noting NUWE still has a gap to fill. BIEI closing down 4.76%. Opening price 004. Closing price 0038. BIEI looks bullish by all indicators on the daily chart. As we stated yesterday, we expect a retest of 006 sometime in January. Additionally, the company seems to have some additional updates coming very soon. The Mesa One Mafia is very bullish on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of our daily recap. We work hard to bring you this valuable information, and if you enjoyed it, do us a favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. This is Ramon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All information given on this channel is solely our opinion and is not professional financial advice.